Americans,
Canadian or Americans,
Indians?
I think an Englishman,
Chinese.
they're very romantic and
Which nationalities have the best reputation in Philippines? Which foreign men are known for having a girl in every city in the Philippines? What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Belle and I'm 21 years old.
Belle, which nationalities have the best reputation in Philippines?
In my opinion, I guess the Americans or like more in the US for me because especially in the healthcare because like me I'm studying nursing and medical field. Americans all help us po to go in their country to help us to have job and pay for them to take care and have a um you know um quality learnings also if we like scholarships and yeah. Okay.
So, Americans.
Yes, Americans for me.
Which nationality has the reputation for being the most generous when it comes to supporting a Filipinas family?
I guess it's Americans also because I have also an uncle that is American. He's really very generous to us, even that we're not the first family, like the second family, like our niece and for nephews. He's very generous to give gifts, to give supports also for us.
Okay. He is married to your auntie.
Yeah, auntie.
Okay. If you brought a foreigner home, which nationality would your parents be most excited to meet?
I guess more on Canadian or Americans because my mom is in Canada right now, so yeah, I guess she will approve also and my father.
In your opinion, which nationality usually fails in the Philippines and has to move back to their country?
I guess Chinese nationality because they have a lot of some illegal businesses in here in the Philippines and in the news we know if you are watching news there are always Chinese that is some have illegal businesses in here like in also in the West Philippine Sea or whatsoever in here, so I guess it's Chinese.
Which foreign men are known for having a girl in every city in the Philippines?
I guess Chinese and Americans. I guess. For me, I'm more on Chinese. Yeah, Chinese men are more on, womanizer, playboy, or in each places in here in the Philippines. But some, I guess, it's also Americans because they do love in visiting here in the Philippines also, and I do let's see Americans here. Yeah, that's my opinion.
If you could only pick one nationality to date for the rest of your life, which one wins the number one spot and why?
I guess Americans because I know how they generous they are like my uncle. I mean not all but I mean most of them I usually like because they are generous, they are also loving and they appreciate us also the Filipina because a lot of us Filipina loves to have an American because on how they generous they are, on how they loving they are, the way they take care of us like that.
Okay. I definitely agree with you. Even in my hometown, that's how they think. The same thing that Americans are very generous. The same thing. You're still in college, Be?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Nursing.
Nursing. What year are you now?
I'm upcoming third year now.
Have you been to like abroad, like USA or Canada?
Not yet, but I hope soon Canada.
Okay.
Yes.
Your mother is a OFW.
Yeah,
Okay.
in Canada.
Okay. I'm curious. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend or you're dating? What?
I'm single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
You're 21.
Yeah.
Why?
It's just like I'm looking for the right man. I'm the eldest, so that the expectation for me as the eldest of my parents is it's high. Filipino moms, Asian. So that's I don't think it's the right time for me dating because I need to study first. Especially it's in medical field, it's nursing. So I have to graduate first, then maybe after graduating I start dating.
Okay, one more year.
Yeah.
You'll graduate. So after a year, you'll start dating. So
Let's see.
okay, what are you looking for in a guy?
um you know caring, understanding, also generous, and God fearing also. That's all.
How many siblings do you have?
Three.
And you're the eldest.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're also from Naga.
Yeah, I'm from here, but I'm studying in Batangas, so I'll be going to Batangas in a few weeks.
Can I interview you for members video? It's just like two question. We have a member, elite member, and he has a question. Just to I think you can answer it. Is it okay?
Yes, sure.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So, members, see you on the members video. We're gonna interview Belle. So, yeah, see you there. What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Trisha and I'm 28.
Okay. Which nationalities has the best reputation in Philippines?
I'd say I'd say Americans.
Mm-hmm.
Americans, I mean they visit a lot. They visit the country a lot. They like to travel around and I think somehow they've maintained a reputation of being respectful with the culture and just really trying to immerse themselves in what we can offer them. And yeah, I think they're they are the most that I've seen visiting Philippines. Although I've seen a lot of Koreans too. Uh yeah, that's what I can think of.
Okay. Which nationality has the reputation for being the most generous when it comes to supporting a Filipinas family?
Americans. I mean, I'm only thinking about that because a lot of people or women from the Philippines date Americans or not not fully Americans, but like a lot of Americans are willing to date Filipino women, and more than just dating them, they also opt to support the family that the women are with. So yeah.
Okay. If you brought a foreigner home, which nationality would your parents be most excited to meet?
I think an Englishman or European man. They're very romantic and very what else? I mean, they like to be romantic with people just in general, even though it has no malice or anything. That's just the way they act. So I think if I bring a foreign man to my family, they'd like a European man because the man will probably please them.
In your opinion, which nationality usually fails in the Philippines and has to move back to their country?
Fails.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, recently I think the Israelites.
Okay.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about their visits in the country, especially in Siargao. So they have not made a good impression on the people, and they're acting like, I mean, I don't want to say much more, but if you know what I mean, like they they're being a little bit more entitled than they should be in their in the place of visit, not in their home place.
Which foreign men are known for having a girl in every city in the Philippines?
Um, Americans again. I mean, they're just everywhere in the Philippines, and they like to explore. Women specifically. Oh, in Manila too, a lot of Chinese men. So yeah.
If you could only pick one nationality to date for the rest of your life, which one wins the number one spot and why?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
If I could what?
If you could pick one nationality to date for the rest of your life,
Date?
yes, which one wins the number one spot and why?
Oh, Filipino. Filipino. They're just really good. You know, they are smart and intelligent partners. And yeah, just like someone who I can fully relate to. I mean, if I just wanted to explore and learn about other culture, I'd be happy to just visit those countries. But if I'm going to date, I'm going for a Filipino person.
She's 28 years old. Um, you're working, mom, right?
No.
No, you're still in college?
No, freelance.
What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Eunice and I am 24 years old.
Okay. Eunice, which nationalities have the best reputation in Philippines?
I think it would be the Chinese people because most of the Filipinos they would think that Chinese peoples are good business women and men. So I think they have a good reputation here.
Okay. Other than Chinese, nothing else?
Also, those foreigners who came from the Europe, because they are like amazed in how our culture is in the Philippines, and they immerse themselves in our culture, and they really try to understand how Filipinos go about their everyday lives.
Okay. Which nationality has the reputation for being the most generous when it comes to supporting a Filipinas family?
I think it would be uh, any nationalities from the United States.
Okay. Americans?
Yes, Americans, because they offer Filipinos. They a lot of Filipinos are overseas for OFWs there in the United States. So I think they have a good reputation here, po.
Okay. But the question is, the nationalities who are known for being generous to the Filipinas family.
Right now, po, I can't think of a specific nationality, but somewhere in the United States.
Okay. Americans.
Yes, Americans.
Okay. In your opinion, which nationality usually fails in the Philippines and has to move back to their country?
That's a hard question. I think it would be uh Indians. Because I rarely see Indian people here, and yeah, that's really a hard question.
So, Indians. Now, which foreign men are known for having a girl in every city in the Philippines?
Which foreign man? I have to give a specific man. Right now, I really don't know. Yes, and I have no idea.
How about foreign man who is like considered probably, for you or for the Filipinas, in your opinion, like the playboys?
The Playboy. The only foreign man I can think of right now is Will Dasovich.
Okay. You're 24, still in college.
I'm currently in my master's degree.
Master's degree.
Studying law po.
Oh, advance congratulations. Beautiful. But what is that? Are you also working? Like, do you have like sidelines?
I'm a freelance photographer, and I also have a small vape business.
Very talented. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you.
I don't think I did not think that I helped you guys.
You did a lot. You did a lot. You have like almost the what do you call this, like you gave different answers from the first ones that we introduced earlier.
Aware of the different foreigners that are in here in the Philippines. The only foreigners I came across here is Chinese people, a little bit of Korean. That's the only nationality I can see here, and Americans
In Naga.
in Naga, here in Naga.
That is true. I've been telling that to some of our.
Actually, I've been seeing a lot of Americans here in Naga. They either they just walking or they are jogging. Yeah. So I'm shocked. I'm like, what's going on?
What is that now?
Last
Lately, like
lately, I think it's last the other day.
usually it's very seldom to see foreigners here in Naga. But anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member, where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection